you have to set up like something this. This is the pipe where it's go to the washing machine. This pipe is going to the washing machine and then it's go to that side up there. It's have only one cold water, only for cold water. Now you can ask me why it is upside down, or maybe downside up. Why? Because this setup is just the floor and that's the pipe came out. So this is downside and it goes to upside here. So that's why I make this downside up. You can use that in that way, that's not problem. Even that is, if I rotate that in downside like something this going to downside, then it specialize this pipe. It have some barriers with it, so I make this in upside. If you want to open this, you have to first, that's the open, maybe it is the open. Wow. Oh, this might be cause problem. Alright, that's not a problem. If you adjust that in a fixed manner, you don't need to open regularly or occasionally. You maybe open occasionally, not in a regular way. Now you have to just open this, but before you open this, you have to check that you should plug that pipe here. Okay, if you don't plug that pipe, this will flow the water and messed up with the place. Now another thing I want to show you, that I have this pipe, the exit pipe. As you can see, this is exit pipe. I plug that and it's just a long way. It's exit pipe, so it comes with this little pipe. This little pipe is come from here to here. That's from here to here. It comes with only with this washing machine. So we have with this washing machine. Now this long pipe is cost at hardware 150, maybe 160. As per time to time change the cost. So what I did, I just plugged that with this long pipe with this short pipe. Now why I plug this short, long and another sort of thing, because I don't have any that dirty water can go to easily. So what I do, that's why I plug this whole long thing process. You can see ground clearance is very narrow. That is my finger is 1 inch, maybe 1 inch, so it is very low. So it is very, very low. But from the company, they are not recommend to lift it up and turn it on, because this might be vibration cause harmful. That's why they don't recommend that to use any kind of tray or any kind of anything. Just lift that in that clearance. That's the amount of clearance as it is. Now what I do, I take this pipe, as long as you can see, I'm going to my kitchen and come here. Kitchen as well as your washing machine. So I come here now. Find clothes. Here I have all these clothes, but you have to separate this, because you can see this is the thermocot, the woolen type. You have to put that aside. You can do this with this next round or maybe some later. So I take this and I will do this and separately. So now I have this clothes. Alright, this is the woolen cloth, I don't know it. Alright, okay, jeans, socks. Right, you can do this thing. Alright, what you have to do first, you have to take this cord which have 6 ampere to 50 volt, and this you just need to plug that and turn on. Now you can see that I plug that on and it has on, but there is no connection of the electricity. Why? Because you have to click this power auto off, plug that on. Now you can hear the sound beyond, and if you press again, it have also a sound of turning off. Now what you have to do first, you have to open this thing, open this door, and then you have to take all the clothes. It is full around cartons, you can see I just separate this woolen type of clothes. I will do this in later time. So what you have to do now, you have to just close this door and turn that on. You can see the F, that means function. What function you need? Fuzzy, silent, quick wash, soaps, jeans, wool. What I normally do, I do just turn that on so it can automatically pick that whatever I put that in this washing machine, so it will automatically read what amount of wash these clothes need. So I just turn that on. It's green and valuation. Now you can see automatically it's take the water level, you can see water level here, and wash 15 minutes, rinse 1 time, steam 5 times. So all the together it take only 43 minutes to wash up with dry clean. Now I don't have to do anything with these buttons, but now I have to take detergents and put that in there and in this tubs washing machine. So now, well, it recommend maybe Ariel or any other detergent, but I personally use this Surf Excel quick wash, maybe Surf Excel blue, not a problem. Now first I'm going to take a container which I get from Ariel 1 kg. Now why I'm not using that, because the fabric is very damaged. It causes very damage. It was very hard. happy with this. Now with this, it's good, not bad, right? Take this. Okay, it's enough. It's so what I do usually, I take that into my mouth and pour that totally there. So now I did some foam. I take spongy and I take this. I have to clean this up. Okay. The other time, no. Just at that time, you need to open this and take this water like this, because if you now you can ask me why you don't pour this detergent is here. Now the answer is because if you pour this the detergent here, this will go to in lower section and it will not circulate the whole process. So I take this like that and I mixed it up like this, and again I take this some amount of water and I put there so you can easily mix it up and wash very good level. So now I am telling you that this is not a paid review or any paid kind of thing. I did by myself for my YouTube channel. Look like that. I think this is enough. Okay. And if you did that, take that aside. Now but I don't like that amount of timing of washing. What I do, I'm going to pause this thing. You can see water stop. Yeah, water stop. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click this 1 or 2 times so it can turn it up to 23 minutes. And water level I have to increase it, maybe this level. That's fine. Great. I'm not going to touch any of these buttons or any of these things. So now let's start this again. You can see now it takes 57 minutes to complete the whole process. You can see this water is running again. So I'll meet you after 2 minutes. It's running. If I open this road now, what is happening? You can see. Now you can see this door error and beeping sound. Yeah, that means you open the door without its permission. So you have to close that and start again automatically. In the meantime, I'm going to show you what time I purchased this washing machine. I purchased this washing machine from my local store. That is the bill. You can see the amount 14,900, 14,900, VAT, the washing machine, the model number. That's great. So time is 7/11/15, 2015. Comes with instruction manual, maybe quick guide reference, all page of the owner manual. Owner manual, last page of the warranty. The last page of complaint copy, complaint customer copy. If you want to read, you can. Take it aside and see what is happening. Now, why I increase the water level? You can explain. If you not give the water so it can rinse and move freely, it won't clean the floors. So you have to give sufficient amount of water so you can rinse and gives you better quality of result. Required 49 minutes till now. So now let's take a break and come when it nearly end. Okay, now you can see stop and goes round. Okay, one it goes with anti-clockwise, right, and another time it goes to both directions, anti and clockwise, both directions. So you don't need to worry about this thing. You just leave this thing. Now we are nearly end of the first process called wash. It's now 3 minutes left and there is 32 minutes left to complete this whole process. What it does going to do, it drain out the whole dirty water from this washing machine. If we can see the water, dirty water come out from this pipe. So it's drainage out. If you open, you can see the water level is going down and drain out. It's drainage out now. Now, as you can see, this 3-minute washing have no lights, but in this rinse have 1 minute, 1 times is blinking. If I press this, like if I turn this on to 2 times and 3 times or 4 times, it will rinse this clothes, this clothes for 3 times or 4 times or 1 time, so whatever you need as per your need. Now as you can see, the rinse starts. So it starts the next process, which is called rinse. Now it drain out the amount of dirty water. It will drain out. You don't need to worry about this spinning process and sound. It's normal. It's normal, it's happy. This LG Turbo Drum 6kg is great. As per my opinion, as per my personal use, I use 2 washing machines before this washing machine, and this is great. Okay, so now, as you can see, this whole clothes are inside walls. It's spinning, and you can see little amount of water. So if you see anything like one-sided, totally one side close came in one side, then what you're gonna do, first you have to do stop, pause, stop, pause, whatever, pause this, then open this door and make that like this, just amount of freeness. These are jammed. So what you have to do, you just need to free them. You free them and close again the door and start this button. And what it will do, it will start again and give you water and it will make its own work. If you see something like this, it happened to me. It comes in this side and it won't move correctly. So what you have to do, you just need to separate it. So it will, now you can see it's centralized. Once again it is centralized. Close the door and start again. Now you can hear some sound. It's left 18 minutes. That sound means if you want to give meal or any kind of fabric cotton smell, Dettol, anything. If you want to give, then now you open the door and I use this comfort for smell. Take that. I give some little bit amount of this amount, and I open this now again. And what I'm gonna do, I just hold this thing and watch that thing clearly. It's automatically goes and mixed with the water. This gives only the nice smell, good smell, So now you can see this amount. This is 355 rupees, and quantity, well, quantity was 200 ml. Yeah, here 200 ml cost 55 rupees. It is fabric conditioner. And wait for 15 minutes. Yes, you can see 15 minutes. Some instruction is given here. You have to check the keys, coins, pins in your pocket. I don't have any pocket type of cotton, so I don't need to check about that. You have to have. If you don't check that will damage the washing machine. Another thing, that is misconception about the washing machine have take a lot of electric consumption and any like that. But if you see this level here, 350 watt. If you run this machine about 3 hours, per hour 350 watt, 3 hours and nearly 1050 wattage. That means 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1 unit. As per your country, whatever they charge per unit, you have to pay as per unit. So I pay 8 rupees per unit. That means if I run this washing machine about 3 times, then it will take only 1 unit. Well, now as you can see, this complete rinse process. Now start the spin process. It's blinking now at 5 minutes, but we require 9 minutes. Why? Because the water drainage system is processing now. It's going to that way. So drainage processing it requires 9 minutes more. Now you can see this spin is start now. That means drying is start now. But if you see this in this level, you can see this have no huge amount of vibration. See, they don't have huge amount of vibration while it's drying. But my past 2 washing machine have huge vibration. That's scary. It's very, very huge. You can see it's very soft vibration. Very soft vibration. If I keep this water bottle here, now you can see that's the amount of vibration it has. It has vibration, little bit vibration, but it is very soft vibration. Now one thing I like to say, I attached this long drainage pipe. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to take something, lift it up, something like that. So it will drain out the all water. Otherwise, what it does, it will stay this water here. And when you lift it up from the end of the pipe, you casually take that and store here. But if you do something and here, pick that here and lift it up, this goes. Now it's empty. It has no water at all. Drying process is now end. 2 minutes left. Now you can see this is slowly stop, and don't need to rush. What it does, it will gives you the sound, the end sound. You don't need to open this thing. Don't do that. It will automatically stop and close. This sound, it gives you that full process is complete now. You can take your clothes out from the washing machine. It will automatically stop. Now you can open this door and I will take my old clothes. The clothes is now clean. I take everything out. Very clean. Now one thing I have to say that it is a dust holder. What do you have to do? Right. I'll show you. One finger you have to put something here and over here, and push both sides. Push something like that, and you can take it out. Now if I open, there you can see open right here. Just pull that thing and you can see there is a lot of fabric and dirt is stored here. What you have to do, what you have to do, to take that all the dirt from here and here and clean it up here by here. Just gently rub these areas. Don't do anything brushed or don't do anything by hand. Do this thing by hand. If you want to wear gloves, you can take water. Just gently do that. Once that's changed, so you can store another dirt from your clothes, and you can clean it up like that. That's very simple. What I have to do, this open thing is upside and this is downside. Open the door and go to place. First, what you have to place, don't place here. You can see this thing, it will goes like that, and then push this button from both sides and press that thing. It will stop. Now check if it's not going to come out by doing this, not doing this, by doing from here.